you cheer? Woo! Michael Vaders out of Hagerstown, Maryland, in the Black Stallion 2007 Ford F-150, winner of the Thunder Nationals, 4 series championships, and 5 Monster Jam World Finals. In the yellow and black, Michael Vaders Sr. Let's hear a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. On the infield, Michael Vaders Jr. driving in the F-250 Super Duty Monster Truck. Monster Jam World Finals, Young Gun Shootout, and Rookie of the Year, Michael Vaders Jr. in the Overkill Evolution. Loud and proud, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it! Woo! We want more! Here we go! Crash them while you got them! Woo! Is that not a beautiful truck, ladies and gentlemen? Wow! See the air! Ladies and gentlemen, please bring your hands together for the Black Stallion! This is just a teaser of what's coming. Woo! Across the grandstand, ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause. Black Stallion, an Overkill Evolution will on. Woo! Yeah! The louder you cheer, the more destruction they'll do. Yeah! 44 years behind the wheel. Michael Vaders Sr. and Black Stallion. He's going to take down the pole. Woo! Twisted metal with those big tires. Will he take another run at the boss? Parts flying everywhere. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen, across the grandstand, looking for your approval. Let's hear it for the Black Stallion. And behind the wheel, Michael Vaders Jr. What you can do, I can do better. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, loud and proud. Let's hear you cheer. Rookie of the Year of 2014, the Young Gun Shootout Champion, and the World Freestyle Champion, Michael Vaders Jr. in Overkill Evolution. Air. Hands in the air. Woo! Parts flying everywhere. Do you want to see him challenge that bus, ladies and gentlemen? I know I do. That vehicle is worth over $300,000 in the air. Woo! Oh, I think he just broke something there. I heard something snap. Here comes Dad. He wants a little piece of the action now. Both of them in the infield. Chewing those cars to pieces. Man, oh man. One more try at this bus. Wham! Woo! Dad wants a shot now. Here we go. In the air. Wham! Bam! Let's rip this infield to pieces. Wow! Photo opportunity after photo opportunity with Black Stallion and Overkill Evolution. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand and give a round of applause for Overkill Evolution and the Black Stallion!
Amazing.
Encore! Woo! Wham! Look at the air! They just showed you why they are champions at what they do. Man, oh man, they put on a great show. If you thought this was fun,